There's no secret that there's a real skill shortage in manufacturing in the UK. We set up the Welding Academy in Glasgow HQ with the vision of providing a hub for development of early learners, apprentices and experienced welders who are looking to upskill and requalify. To ensure you've got the best team, you need to invest in their skills. Providing welders with experience in variation of processes and materials is invaluable. So here at WB Alloy's Welding Academy, we have 7 well-equipped welding bays and the capability for various welding processes. We have a team of welding engineers, welding inspectors, welder trainers that can offer any candidate support. We also offer, as well as the training, a turnkey support for welding procedures, going from project technical review right through to qualification of the welders, working with third-party organisations, delivery and follow-up. The welding school is designed to offer introductory courses to those who've never seen a welding arc, apprentice programmes, which can be some classroom-based work, and then we get them into the welding bays. It mostly consists of understanding the best practices and then have them put that into practice into the bays. And the door's always open to experienced welders who are looking to requalify or just upskill. So we offer training on specialist welding processes and all material types for more experienced welders. The most common being carbon steel, stainless steel grades, austenitic, duplex, nickel alloys, copper alloys and aluminium. We offer some of the more specialist weld process training programmes like the mechanised range from Gulco and the tip-type process. I would certainly encourage businesses to use training academies. We're in a period, as I mentioned, where we're losing a lot of skilled labour to retirement, and if we're wanting to keep these large-scale projects in the UK, then where they can, all businesses are going to need to invest in their people and their skills, and we hope we can help with that. So far we've had great results from learners. We provide the space, the knowledge and the guidance. In the most part we've had some fantastic results, and that's it's going to be the learner and the employers that are going to reap the benefits from that. So if you're in the manufacturing engineering industry and you think we can support your business, then please get in touch and we can certainly support you through the WB Alloys Welding Academy.